Hello everyone. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to tell you how to implement track changes in your document. That is how we can on and off the changes, show markup, reviewing pan and how to lock tracking. Let's see one by one. But first of all, we should know about what is track changes. The track changes function in Word allows you to keep record of amendments made to document. You can choose to accept or reject the amendments. It is useful tool for managing changes made by several reviewers to the same document. Now, how it will work? Let's see. I need some text here to make you understand. I'm just going to write some text here, that is random text. Just press enter. Now, suppose this is my work, or you can say this is my article. I don't want someone will change it. Suppose in my organization, one computer can be used by many person. So anyone can change it. So I need to just keep the track of my changes. First of all, I have to just on the tracking function. Firstly, I have to click on this review tab. In this review tab, you can see this is the tracking group, and in this tracking group we'll have to just click on this option, that is track changes option. It will give me two further option. One is track changes, another is log tracking. If I'll click on this function, that is track changes, it will on my tracking function. If again I will click on this option, then it will off my tracking function. So if I want to on or off, I have to click here only. Suppose I am going to click here. Now if someone change in my document, then it will keep the track of my changes. Suppose I am going to change this keyword powerful with keyword strong. Now you can see on the left margin there is a red mark. It is showing that someone changed this document. If I click here, then it will show that the window user a few minutes ago deleted word powerful and it replaced that powerful word with this strong keyword. You can see it is in the red color, that is it is inserted. If you keep your cursor here, it will show the comment that inserted strong. That means deleted keyword is powerful and strong is the inserted keyword. Now I'll just going to close it. Again, someone change online keyword with offline keyword. It is showing red mark here. You can check it. Now suppose I want, if someone change it, he or she will not see this mark. So I have to just click here and I have to select no markup option this time, so that no one can see whether the tracking function is on or off. Suppose I just want to change some keywords. Suppose I want to change this keyword cover with no page, and I will just change its formatting also. I just want to make it bold. If I'll just change the color of this word. Now I have to click on this review tab and I can check whether my text is changed by someone or not. Just I have to click on this option. If I'll click on simple markup, it will show the lines only, and after clicking the line I can see what is happening with my text. Suppose I want to see all the markup. I have to click on this option, that is all markup. If I click simple, it will show line. If I'll click on this option all markup, then it will show all the details that is happened with my document. Now suppose I want original document. So I have to click here. Now I'll get my original document without changes. Now suppose I want to see all the markup, and I can change this option, that is show markup. I can only select the comments. If you want to see only comments, you can just unselect all the option, just deselect it and just select comments and show all the markup. This time it is not showing any comment. I have not given that. I just want to select this insertion and deletion option. Now you can see only the insertion and deletion, where my text is deleted from and inserted. Suppose I want to see the formatting also. If I'll click on all the option, it will show all the comments, link, insertion, deletion and formatting. Now suppose I want to change the balloons option. This time by default it is showing that show revisions in balloon. It will show like this, that which keyword is changed or replaced by with keyword. Now suppose I'm going to select the balloon option. This time I'm going to select this option, that is show all revisions in line. I'm just going to select it. Now see, it will show the comments in line, that is it introduced strike through option on the keyword which I deleted earlier, and I write the strong keyword at that time. Now these keywords are deleted from my document, and these are the replaced keywords. Now I just want to change some more options. So I have to click again here, and this time I need to select this last option, show only comments and formatting balloons. I have not given any comment, so it is not showing that. And I have done some formatting. I changed some formatting, that is I changed this keyword to the bold, and I just changed formatting on this keyword also. Now it is showing only the formatting part and rest is in inline. Suppose I just want my text in show revision in balloon, then it will show all the formatting and comments also. Suppose I want reviewing pan. I have to click here. I can select any one option, reviewing pan vertical, reviewing pan horizontal. Suppose I am going to select this option, reviewing pan vertical. I can review the changes in the vertical pan, that is the keyword powerful is deleted from my document and strong is introduced. This is also deleted. You can see it is here, that is this keyword is deleted and new keyword online is inserted here. Suppose I don't want the reviewing pan vertical, I just want horizontal reviewing pan. You can see horizontally as well. Now suppose I will click again on this option, track changes. Now if I'll change anything in my document, it will not keep the track of it, because this time I have just off the tracking function. Now if I'll click on this all markup function, it will not show the editing. Now suppose anyone can off this function and after that he or she can edit the document. For that, if you have done everything in your document and you want no one will change it, then you can lock the tracking. Suppose I am going to click on this option, that is lock tracking. Now a dialog box will appear, that is lock tracking dialog box, and it is showing that prevent other authors from turning off track changes, because someone can off the track function and after that he or she can edit your document and you will not keep the track of your document. For that you have to just lock the tracking function. So it requires password, though it is optional, but I want to keep my document safe, so I need to write password here. Suppose I am going to write college as my password. I have to re-enter the password, that is college. Now click OK. Suppose someone change this video to audio. He can change and I can see in the tracking pan. Now if I want to just off this function, I cannot off the tracking function, and if I'll click here, it will ask for unlock tracking password. Suppose again I am going, because I am the authorized user, I can give the password. Now I can on and off the tracking function. Otherwise no one can change the tracking function if I lock the tracking. So in this way I can just keep changes of my document. I can on and off the tracking function, show markup and lock the tracking. That's it for this video.